I'll go on YouTube and we're back with the next one. And as you guys can see over here, we have some guests with us.
Yeah.
This is Daniel, as they said. So this is Ashley. And this is David.
Right.
That's right. Not gonna mess that up one more time. But anyway, so today we have a video idea, and it's kind of called like the telepathy game. So the basis of the idea is to just particularly guess what option on the table your partner would choose that's behind you actually.
Right.
So it should be interesting. But actually the idea surround what you think your partner would actually guess. We know sir we don't really have no mind connection of one, but we're gonna try the best.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So, and if you want to follow the Hills guys, you can, their link will be in the description. Yeah, support them. We are few in numbers, but we can go and support each other.
Yes.
Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Round 1.
Alright, so Miss Ashley, choose an item. Good choice, good choice.
Both in your hand and David. Sorry. Which one did she choose?
I am going to guess the June drum.
Okay.
Turn around.
Turn around! Every now and then I got a little
So
bit
That's her
drunk.
favorite fruit.
Yeah.
So I know.
I am confident.
Confidence.
Confident.
Confidence.
Have you chosen my dog?
Yes.
Alright, so I should say which one she chose?
Yes. Tell us which one she chose.
She chose the June plant.
Okay.
So I have any soul?
Next one.
Yeah, June plum is actually my favorite.
Right.
Alright, hold up your item.
Seems that this is a long, hard.
Yeah, she chose her item, so which one did she choose?
What's your choice? What's her choice?
You chose one?
Yeah, she chose one.
I'm gonna hear her nice.
You can offer your nice.
It can't be cereal then.
No,
Okay,
it's
so
alright.
what is it then?
It's a cereal.
No, give it away. Give it away. I said, oh my gosh, she heard it. Get it away.
It's a
Did I get that
cereal.
one?
You know, I was expecting to choose a cereal.
Alright,
So,
yeah.
That's how I
So
take
I
time
don't-
to lift it up.
I don't know what the hard thought
So
was.
what, we negative?
You said, oh my gosh, she
No,
heard
no,
it.
No, but I expected
Let
it
her
to be
get
cereal.
it.
Alright,
Let
we'll
her
get
get
it.
it.
We'll get it. Switch in. Ready, okay?
Have you chosen?
Yes.
I wonder what you chose.
Could it be the pancake?
This too easy for me now. And I'm not.
So Mr. Hill has taken his seat.
You know exactly what I expected to choose.
Now,
I'm not.
now Mrs. Hill,
That one here easy.
your
Try
choice.
But
Now,
She chose already.
yes, she chose.
I expected her to choose the sorrel beer.
Oh my god.
Small, but
yeah, but I use this in cooking.
Yeah,
okay.
you got it right.
okay.
So guys, so far it is a tie.
That's a win.
No.
No winnings.
Let's sit down. Nation before.
Sweet. It's sticky like
Yeah,
I
make
make
it,
it.
yeah, man. Sticky. That's what we want.
Because we know she did 2 out of the 3. But which one is she going to?
You them a try give them one another clue, you know.
Ready?
We get nervous all of a sudden.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Monster,
ready.
right?
Have you chosen?
Yeah. Maybe you not get this.
What do you mean me not get it? Why wouldn't you choose the one that I would get?
Me on my mind. I don't know.
Touch me head.
Oh.
It was not the dragon.
Oh.
How about this, man?
I'm still going to get it wrong, but I am going to choose the mountain. Shut it! No, but if you know I'm gonna choose the Malta, why you not take up the Malta? I wasn't sure.
I don't like Malta. I don't like Iran.
getting choosing Malta.
I'm not regular Malta.
No.
You
Orain.
like the vanilla Malta. This is the vanilla Malta.
Orain, you killed me.
I know it's wrong, you know, because Shadika, this is the obvious thing. She's not going to choose it. Why would you choose it? You don't like Malta.
I'm difficult.
You
Jesus.
You don't like Malta, but you like the vanilla Malta. Wow, vanilla.
I also said Malta. I wonder if that's why you said Malta.
No.
No, but
So I
Shadika,
wanna have the telepathy? Not them.
which one Malta?
It's not what you would choose, Davian.
It's
what
what
I would choose.
it's what Mrs.
But
Hill
you
would
choose
choose.
based on what I like, right?
No.
No, it's what Mrs. Hill would like.
It's what you would like?
Yes,
Yes.
not Mrs. Hill. So wait, you have been
Yes,
choosing
so
what
that
you
would
like?
choose What you like?
Bad to bad, sir.
So we like.
Yeah, we like similar stuff.
So babe, suppose. Alright, you're choosing what I would like.
Yeah, which one would she like?
You know
Alright.
what I would like.
Alright. And it has begun.
Choose already?
No.
I don't feel
Yes.
like I'm gonna get them wrong.
She chose.
I'm not gonna get it wrong. It's the banana bread.
Sure.
Well, we like similar stuff. We know we not the lead.
No, Orain.
Shanika,
You try it.
don't choose the obvious. Sit on my feet.
I know what I would want to know, but you're not gonna know what I do. But I think smart.
Shanika, me, I got no. Choose it. Just choose
I
it.
think smart.
Nothing no smart.
No, you're not gonna choose the one.
Shanika, I know what you want.
What?
Just choose it.
You're not gonna choose the one with me. You're not gonna do it.
Shanika, me know what you want.
Let's choose it.
Trust me.
Don't know.
Take out the one, but that way
The pressure.
you know what you want, Shanika.
No, you don't.
Shanika, do not choose the one where you think. I think me know what you want.
Alright.
That's so confusing.
This is what I want.
Me know say that you want.
She chose.
What is it?
Eh?
She chose.
Is the muffin thing on my left?
Okay, finally.
Alright, she
Okay, you get
This
it.
is what I want. This.
So that's 4-3.
Yeah, that's 4-3. Revenge will be out.
Example, when you use to freshen up in the
It
morning.
looks kind of vanilla-ish.
Babe, yeah, think about it too.
Don't think too deep. Just
What would I
choose which one she would want.
What would you choose?
Yeah.
If it's a gift,
What would I choose overall? No, let's stop overthinking. What would I choose? I get ready. What is my go-to?
go-to.
So would she want to spray, rub on little something or little roll
Exactly.
on?
What matters the most to me?
It's definitely lotion.
Babe, she not.
She not choose yet.
Yes.
That teeth.
I can't teach him. Not see what she choose. All right. What is the? Yeah, she chose.
I know what she would choose.
What she chose?
It's the fragrance mist.
You know, sir, this is for my people, you know. We're not together, I know. I don't feel.
We still
We're not together.
I know what she likes.
All right.
But yeah, overthinking about friends.
Come, Shanika.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
You choose?
Yes.
Trying to cook it.
She'll give it to
Tap the coffee table.
Everything can make sound, you know. You know, watch it for you, I'm so sorry.
Lotion broke.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Ah,
That's
all
fine.
right. Which one?
I'm not broke.
In the broke. Oh.
You're not a.
Pick it
lotion-
up back. Shadi.
You're not a
No, why
lotion
put?
person. That's why you dash away. That's why you throw it down. You're not a lotion person. Me not just a lotion.
Let me easy drink.
Yeah, me put them.
The roll on. Me gonna say the roll on.
Yeah,
the
roll on.
Yes,
Got
man.
it.
We're still leading, guys. We're still leading.
4-5.
No, for the males.
4-5. We shall not lose on our channel.
Which one we want to guess with? Ginger tea,
Alright.
peppermint,
Peppermint.
and ginger lemon.
What is this? 2 ginger?
We never have Alaska.
Me first.
Yeah, you were supposed to guess now.
Alright.
So, Mr.
I'm
Hill.
gonna stick to what I'm used to.
Alright. That's a hint.
Even though you guys dropped in the 2 ginger.
Alright, Mr. Hill, choose. She heard it. Which one did you get?
I would say him to the ginger tea.
That's too
I would
bad.
ask the ginger tea.
Jason.
Ginger tea.
Don't disappoint me. Come and get this wrong. You don't know it.
Let's say Shadika.
Yeah.
If you ever get it wrong.
Never get it wrong.
Don't get it wrong.
The mirror too easy for me.
Don't get it wrong.
need a
A breakfast settings Monday morning. Breakfast settings Monday morning. If I get this wrong.
Ready? You ready?
I'm ready, man. Me not say it.
Breakfast settings Monday morning.
Ready?
Alright, Shadika.
Ready?
Which one did I choose?
This Monday coming? You Orain?
Yes, Shadika. Monday.
Monday coming or Monday gone?
Monday.
Which Monday?
You have to go to find out which one. I go drink this Monday morning. I go drink this Tuesday morning.
Alright.
Every day after.
What kind of hint am I yes, sir?
Oh man, I said I go drink this every morning.
Alright.
You must get it.
Alright. Wait, the mixed one.
The
You
mix
done the
one.
one, eh?
Yes.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, come here and say mix one. That's what they mix.
No, only one.
Yeah, so you get it.
Yeah.
Yes, I get it.
Ginger lemon.
Oh, you said.
Alright.
Alright, Mr.
You know
Hill.
what I like? Overall. You know what I don't like?
Choose your item.
Wait.
I feel like you're overthinking it comes down to what I'm choosing. I know what you're choosing.
Chubby.
They're chocolate and peanuts.
The two of them are peanut. This is chocolate coated peanut and this is honey.
Honey roasted.
They're different.
Yeah, them different.
I'm just gonna choose because I think you should. Babe, I'm gonna choose. I think you should know what I would choose.
Alright, Mrs. Hill, which one did you choose?
I think you should know what I would choose.
I'm stressed though because I know what I would choose, but I don't think he would choose the same thing.
You know what to choose. What you choose.
So would I choose the ping pong?
Yeah.
The dough like thing.
Never again.
Dough like. Come me know the man. Come.
Alright.
Yes.
So now look chocolate. So
That's the best.
Shadika. Not mine.
Not mine.
Not mine.
Not mine. Not yours.
Yes, not mine.
You choose?
I haven't chosen
Alright.
it, but not.
Me hello.
Yeah, but me I say not mine. So turn round. Is
We're
okay.
dominating the hill.
You would have choose?
the hills.
What?
By you.
For me would have choose?
Alright.
What me would have choose?
Yes.
Or you don't know what me would have choose?
Jesus.
What me would have choose? You would not gonna know what me would have choose, or
Alright, I have chosen. So you talk which one?
That's a sensible pick.
what me would have choose?
Yes.
The pepper shrimps. Alright.
Sure. Alright, Mrs. Hill, have a seat.
Oh yes, it's kind of easy. It's easy.
Kinda.
You want to choose what you would like?
Yeah. If you choose what I would like, then go ahead and get it right. But we know what you
You can do that if you know it's strategy.
Alright, let me choose what I should like.
I
chose.
bad. Him choose. Which one did he choose?
You chose already?
Yeah, he chose. Which one did he choose?
The lion king?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so it's not what I would like.
Mighty God.
It's not what I would like, it's what you would like. Alright?
So what?
What's up?
You can't do
Can't
that.
do that.
That's it. I only one sour thing up on the table.
Exactly.
Him say what me would I like? Him say no choose already?
No,
choose it.
I haven't chosen.
My bad. What you that choose though? What you that choose?
I can't tell you.
Wait, you want to do one next round then?
No,
since
no,
I'm
no.
Mr. Circle?
You can't
No,
continue.
just choose.
Alright.
We're still going. So
But
it's okay.
I eat more that choose either way.
Come him say what me like. I like limeade.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Same as me.
Babe, you know exactly what I'm gonna choose.
So, Mrs. Hill, take your seat.
You like it and I like it. We both like it.
We like everything on the table.
That is good, you will get it wrong.
Alright, I'm
Alright.
not gonna even waste any time to choose because we both like this.
He chose, and it was obvious.
Yeah.
Yeah, like noise. Cashew.
Yeah, because it make nice and it are the only thing that make nice on the table. Alright, so.
What me that choose? My love shake up my
Baby,
circle.
let's think hard in.
No.
Alright.
Which one would
Turn on.
Shadika choose?
Alright, so.
You choose?
Yes, I chose. Which one did I choose?
The sour birds. What's his name?
Me God, what is?
Yeah.
Icebreaker.
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 I just know sour birds. I don't know.
New name.
It says sour on it.
Get it right. Get it right.
Sure.
Icebreaker.
So what is
If it's what Ashley would have liked, it's going to be good.
So, take your seats.
What you would like? I don't think about what
You know what I would like, David. Of all of those things, you know what I like. So no overthinking.
No.
You know what I would like?
I'm
If
gonna-
you make me bounce today.
I'm gonna choose based on what you like, not what's on the table, but
Yeah,
actually,
so I must come with
as in what you like in general.
Ashley.
That is confusing, but take your seat.
right?
What you like in general, not the snack.
You choose already?
In this case, touch it.
Yeah,
Touch it.
Is it in this case?
Yeah.
Yeah, just touch it. You
Or
don't want
point, not even touch,
Ash,
point.
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 Ash,
I feel it. Transfer.
I'm going to choose based on what you
Baby, you said about 50 times now.
and
Come
you
on.
told me recently as
You
well.
just pick the thing now.
Okay.
Touch, yeah.
He
ready?
touched. Which one did he choose?
Yes, I know what you like with this.
Alright.
It's not what's on the table, but it's something that you like.
Alright.
It's not what's on the table.
Sorry,
What?
it's something you like, but it's not necessarily what's on the table.
Okay.
It's similar. It's similar to what you would like.
I guess.
It's on the table, but
Will they get it wrong? The tension is building.
it's a flavor.
No, but I'm gonna further.
Oh my god.
No further.
The stress is real. You can see it on her face.
Alright.
Babe, you made that one year so hard when it was so easy.
Mr. Hill looks worried.
We still get used to it, so one through.
When you're thinking of an answer, think of stuff.
No more words.
That's
No
recent.
more words.
Recent.
No more words from
no
you,
more
sir.
words.
Recent
No
stuff.
more words.
What did
You know what?
No more
You know what?
words.
I'm gonna change.
No, you're not.
No, I can't change
No,
it.
you're not.
Do you choose the coconut thing?
Yes.
Bad to
yes.
bad, and that's what I'm gonna take
Yes.
again. I set up this. I set
But this is my
I
favorite.
know you're gonna, but you don't like this flavor so much.
Yes, I eat this a lot.
You like the green one.
Yeah, but at the same time,
Cheese and onion, I know. But
cheese and
you
onion.
also like coconut.
Chill.
But I don't like biscuits.
But
I love chips.
I would.
Especially coming and going to time because I know it. I am pointing at it. I am pointing at it.
Can I find two?
Yes, you can point.
Yeah, she got it.
It's my finger.
Our kind of finger transmission. What are you doing?
Yes.
Ready?
Alright. As you say, alright, Mr. Hill. Take your seat.
As I sit, I will choose.
So cocky.
Alright, Mrs. Hill, what did he
You
choose?
know exactly what I chose.
the charger.
Yeah. I feel loved her phone.
Why on the stage?
No, but you together.
Or it should be easy.
Me think it is. We when I said that because me don't.
No, you're not.
Okay, Shalika. number
Ready?
nine. Shalika,
Ready?
I have chosen. What did I
Mackerel.
choose?
Oh, you can make me the shaggy.
You like it.
Mommy, I got
The
Orain
hills, the
likes.
hills.
It's what Orain likes.
It's not what? No, we are going for
I think you guys should have communicated on that one.
Exactly.
Orain, it's what you like. You like mackerel.
Guys, no fighting
You
on
like
camera.
mackerel.
No fighting.
No fighting on
Alright,
camera.
alright.
We say our problems later when them go.
We take the blame, we take the blame.
It's what you.
In my head, me and people she like.
But it's easy for them to choose what he likes. That's the
Yeah, but-
automatic thing. You should have said what I like. Then.
Yeah, that's why I say you guys
I didn't
should have
know
talked on that one.
You know you like mackerel, Orain. You eat it.
I love it.
I love it.
Oh boy.
I love that mackerel thing.
Alright.
This is what you like.
Okay.
They look confident. They look very confident. I don't like it. Shake it up.
There's Una.
Him not
Him not
choose.
choose yet. That's too bad.
Yeah, but that's what I'm gonna take up still.
But no, I don't know that for sure.
Babe, why it takes so long to choose?
I'm just gonna say something in the camera.
I'm good. I like it. Packet.
Yes,
When they
ma'am.
get that one, they wrong.
Oh, we get it.
When they get it
Get it
wrong.
wrong.
No, them can't. Them
Yeah,
can't.
different round.
No, when they
Them
get it
don't
wrong.
get the point.
When they get the points.
Them give me the sour one. So
Which
my-
sour?
The lime, it's a sour, so they
Alright,
can
make
get
it
the points.
Ash don't like this, and she don't like this. So it would have had to be this.
The
and
tuna
that.
was a no.
Alright, so-
So,
Alright, so.
We dominated on our channel and we still dominate on Film channel.
I got choose what you
I'm
like.
Xing that out.
Pasta na-
No, keep
we're
it.
just a hater.
Keep it.
Pasita, pasita.
Alright, so what would I like? Cause we have played this game so wrong.
What you would like.
Hold the pan way. Don't take up nothing. Just hold the pan table. Alright. You ready?
Don't worry, I don't know.
You don't lose already. Nothing for nothing for lose.
Alright, me a point funny.
We're a team.
What did I choose?
What are you saying?
What did I choose?
What did I choose?
What did I choose?
Based off of what you like or
You
me?
like
Me like one.
the timer.
What did he choose?
Choose fast, just say so.
This one.
What's up?
The tuna.
You see?
I like it.
It's all like that, me say what you like. Sure, no.
Here.
We say our problems later when them go.
It's your fault. I didn't know it. That's why you're ugly. Because it's your fault.
Sure. If you have made it to the end of the video, thank you all for watching. And as you saw, we lost.
And our own channel,
Our own channel, them come defeat with.
That is disrespectful though.
What's so
That
bad?
is disrespectful. You should make the whole win. That's how it goes.
You must throw the
Common
game and give it to
courtesy.
us.
Well.
That's common courtesy.
No.
As you can see, they don't have manners.
It'd be a fair game if we did that.
Yeah, it would be unfair. But yeah, guys, thank you all for watching.
And you guys
There's a next video with featuring us on the Hills channel. We urge
Yes.
you guys,
Check that video
go
out.
over there.
Really funny, guys.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Go over there, watch the video, leave them a nice subscription. Tell them Orain and Shadika for sent you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for watching. What do you have to say to people?
And as you guys can see, the years kind of,
It's not
make a
about
years make a difference.
It's
Yes.
the
Years make a difference.
Like, honest.
So them got them 3 years pound way, so that is why. But check back in the next 4 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, that is what we would like to say to the people.
We'd like to say we had a good time.
It was fun.
And we'll win.
Yes.
Alright,
So guys, check us out.
Check out that is their link to their channel will be in our description. Go over there, check it out. Proper collab. Hopefully there's more to come.
Yeah.
Alright guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hi.